A night resembling dark blue, the sky finally shed tears. Beyond the cold coffee cup I see the end of the setting sun. Hello, my love, my sweet jazz. Welcome the years that flow by without an umbrella. You scattering like hazy smoke. With tearful steps they bid you farewell. Years resembling swing rhythm. Time doesn't know how to stay. Even the hottest season cold us, sliding into the rain, staying still in a puddle. The dark silhouette of you. Thud, thud, when tears fall on the keys. The melody of yesterday that I can never rewind again. Help, my love, my piercing riff at the thin end of time. Following your fading footprints, burying it as deep blues in my heart. The rain has subsided before I knew it. A person who